Hey guys, it's Irish again. I decided to do a video on how to install i3 on Fedora 22. Someone in the previous video wanted to see me do this, so that's what I'm going to do today. So the first thing, the difference between the Fedora and installing i3 on Fedora than Arch is Arch does tend to group all the i3 components that you need, like i3, i3 status, and then i3 lock. But in any of the others, it for whatever reason they don't clump them together. So under Fedora, you want to do sudo dnf install i3, i3 status, and then i3 lock. And then what I like to install is nitrogen. Excuse me. Nitrogen, and then Compton I use as my to get my transparency. Uh, Compton is not in any of the RPM Fusion's free or non-free repos. So I'll show that next, but let's install this really fast. So yeah, for whatever reason, you just have to go to the OpenSUSE software build, and it actually does have instructions on how to install it. So if we open up Firefox and then go to the OpenSUSE software search, what you can do is go to the build service part of the OpenSUSE and then just type in Compton. And then it would be this first one here, and then you can do 20, 21. I did the 21. I have installed this already because I did install i3 on Fedora 21. So if you go here and then show unstable, and then you just click which one that you want. So it would be 64-bit for me, and then you can open it through the Software Center, which I've had hit and miss so far with doing that, or you can save it and then install it through locally. So if you actually click on the Qt desktop part, you can just click on the download, and then you can select Fedora, and then it tells you what to do. So you want to change directory into your etc/yum.repos.d, and then run this wget and then install it through Compton, and then you can install Compton. I will put this in the description below, and then all you would want to do is, if you are in GNOME as I am, or in KDE or whatever you're using, you just want to log out and then go to your and log back into i3, and then it will ask you to set up which mod key you want. So by default it is the Windows key, but if you click the Alt key, that's the one that I prefer. Then you just do that, and then it will auto-generate an i3 config file for you, and then that's all you have to do for it. So let me go back into i3 and show you guys what this looks like. So as you can see, this is what you do get when you boot back into i3. Since you do not have a wallpaper already, it will take the background of the GDM and make that as your default background. But with Nitrogen installed, you could just I'll show you how to do it. So if we open up a terminal here, if you go type in, let me get a bigger one for it. So if we just do Nitrogen and then /home and then Mike, which is my name, then go over, and then I like to put wallpapers as just its own thing, and then here's the list of all the wallpapers that I have. So I will select this one here and then click apply. You could also select automatic scaled, so I just do automatic, and then I just do screen 1, click apply, and then screen 2, then I click apply. So if I go to there, as you can see that this has been set, and then all you would have to do is make sure that nitrogen does get restored into your config file if you don't use xinitRC. So that is all I have for this video. If you guys want to see me configure my i3, I can make a video series on that again. Make sure you just leave a comment if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and I will catch you guys next time.